जरूरत हो? I don't think so. Everything is clear.
नहीं नहीं जी क्लियर है मैम।
क्लियर है, चलिए।
ओके
तो एक बार
और
फिर से इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे, नो हिंदी प्लीज।
जी
ठीक है। एंड दिस
ओके
टाइम
ओके
आपको फील करके बोलना है, जैसे कि आप अपने बेटे के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हो, मैं अपने बेटे के बारे में। राइट?
जी जी
ओके। हेलो मिसेस वर्मा, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम फाइन but a bit worried. Vishal spends so much time on his phone, always on social networking apps.
एक बार फिर से मैम, आप ये बोलोगे ना, आई एम फाइन बट अ बिट वरीड, लाइक दिस यू हैव टू से, बट
जी
अ बिट वरीड। तो लगना चाहिए कि आप सच में, आपको ऐसे नहीं बोलना जैसे आप
worried
रीड कर रहे हो। ओके,
जी
वंस मोर। हेलो मिसेस वर्मा, हाउ आर यू?
I am fine but a bit worried.
व्हाट
Vishal
हैपेंड
spends
मैम?
so much time. Vishal spends so much time on his phone, always on social networking apps.
Oh, I know how you feel. Rahul is the same. He hardly leaves his phone alone.
Exactly. I tried to talk to him, but he says it is a part of staying connected.
It is all part of. Okay.
Okay.
Rahul says the same thing. I get worried about how much screen time he has. It cannot be good for him.
I agreed. Vishal does not even join us for dinner sometime because he is too busy chatting.
Same with Rahul, ma'am. I have told him many times to take a break, but he just shrugs it off.
Do you think we should limit their screen time? Maybe set some rules?
That might help. I think we should make sure they spend more time outdoors or with family.
Yes, some balance would be good. We will talk to Vishal about it again.
I will do the same with Rahul. We need to guide them before it becomes a bigger problem.
Exactly. Hopefully, they will understand.
Let us stay positive, ma'am. They will eventually.
Yes, let us hope for the best.
Very nice. Wonderful. Now I'm going to